So here's a quick demo of the erasers. The versions on the left are thinner, versions on the right are wider, and they also have wider magnets over here. And then they also can incorporate or include various brands, like wider ones, the soft tissue can be wider, while these thinner ones can only support one brand. Or you can buy a huge one, like a sheet, and make a cutout, which I did, and you can see the corner is not that great. What I have noticed with different boards is that these ones do not fit for any board. On some boards it will still go very slowly to the bottom because the metal backing of the whiteboard can be quite thin and not that magnetic. Also, upon pushing the thinner versions, I can feel that they're easy to push around. They have less magnetic power, while these wider ones, these hold a bit better.